Hey there, I'm David Cordero and welcome back to another Guitar Basics series at Pass the Guitar Live. And in this video, we're going to learn how to play the chord E major or E chord. And for this lesson, you really need to know what a chord diagram is and how to read a chord diagram. And if you don't know, check out this video here. If you do and you're ready, let's waste no more time and dive right in. Let's take a look at the chord diagram for E major. Fantastic! E major doesn't have any axis, so we don't have to worry about skipping any string when we're strumming. There is definitely a bunch of circles. We have circles on the 6th string, on the 2nd string, and on the 1st string. There are 3 circles. Those 3 strings are going to be played open. And we also see 3 black circles with numbers in them. That's where we're going to place our fingers. And we have fingers number 1, 2, and 3 labeled in the chord diagram as well. So let's start by placing our finger number 1. It's going to go on the 3rd string, 1st fret. Have it there. 2nd finger is going to go on the 5th string, 2nd fret. And then the 3rd finger is going to go on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. And this is basically how an E major looks like. So what do we do next? We're going to check to see if we have all of the strings and all of the sounds. As you could tell, there were some notes here that were not ringing. The 6th string is not ringing really well. The 2nd string is also not ringing, but the 1st one is good. So what's going on here? Let's take a look at the 6th string. What's probably happening here is that my 2nd finger is far too up, pushing up, and is touching the 6th string. So don't forget to use the tip of your finger. So if I move it down a little bit and use more of the tip of the finger, now I can hear my 6th string. Now let's move on to the 5th. You're getting it pretty well. It's not as far as it can go, so don't forget to push this finger as far as you can to your right, closer to the fret. It makes the sound a lot cleaner and a lot easier to play. You don't have to press so hard. Now the 4th string. Sounds pretty nice. How about the 1st string? There's still the 1st finger, there's still a little bit of buzzing, and it's probably because I gotta move this finger closer to the fret. Oh, it sounds so much better. Now we found another problem here, right? 2nd string is muted. And the reason why, as you can see here, my knuckle is not bent. I gotta really bring it up, or either bend it like this, or bring my knuckles, all of the knuckles of my hand, my whole hand forward a little bit, so that there is some relief room here for the 2nd string to ring. I still have my 3rd string on my 1st finger, and now I have my 2nd string open, ringing there. But how about if I actually rest my hand on the bottom of the neck? If I do that, you see that my 1st string that is open is not ringing anymore. So don't forget that we always need a little bit of room. So do not let your hand hold the neck on the bottom, touch the neck on the bottom. If you do all of these movements, now we have a clean sounding E major. And for E major, we can play from the 6th string down, which is nice because we can strum with no fear. And that's a wrap for this tutorial. We just learned how to play E major on the guitar or E chord on the guitar. A fantastic chord. Nice. Don't forget to pay attention to the details we covered in this lesson because they will become habits that you will carry on your journey of learning how to play the guitar. So good habits always lead into great results. Don't forget that your support is extremely important for us, so do it by subscribing, clicking on that bell, and liking this video. My name is David Cordero, and I'll see you on another video.